USGS-UAS photo of the western portion of the lava lake, February 9th. And the reason this one is interesting is because if we go here in the captions, it does say, for scale, the distance from the lava inlet to the edge of the main island is approximately 160 meters, 525 feet. So that's telling us, if we look up here, it's between the edge of the island and a lava inlet, 160 meters, right there to there, right? So we start thinking, well, how far is 160 meters? What can we put in there to actually compare it against? And we had a comment from a viewer, which was very helpful, saying the Statue of Liberty comparison was great, but I've never been to see the Statue of Liberty, so I can't really compare that to anything I know. So it's hard to find something everyone knows a size of and can compare, right? But seeing as we are Hawaii and the only way to get here is by boat or by plane, that's kind of what I went with. So here is the dimensions of a 747, which you can see its length here to there, 70 meters, 231 feet, and from wing to wing, a little bit shorter, 64 meters, right? But so about 70 meters, nose to tail. So you really can do two of them for 140, and plus the width of the tail, which is 20 meters right there, right? So two nose to nose, jumbo jets, and a little more is the distance between that edge of the island and this inlet right in here. So what would that look like? And here I've put it in there for you guys to see. Jumbo jet for scale, 747 over here. What that might look like if its back was at the west vent, and I put in a terminal here and a control tower so you can get some idea, like that. The height of that vent is about control tower size, depending on the size of your airport and control tower, of course. Or you actually could fit a whole bunch of the terminal here in the size of the lava lake. So I'll come back to this here shortly, but kind of the first view here. And for those of you guys who have been following for a while and have been wondering about the Jedi fighting, what the Jedi fighting on this island might look like, I've put in here to scale our Millennium Falcon. I'll zoom in a little more. You guys can see.
It's just a baby. I was surprised how small that thing was. I thought it would be gigantic, the Millennium Falcon. It's like a golf cart compared to the 747.
It could do it could do laps around this crater. It's small enough, right? It's
right.
Yeah, see, there'd be a lot of room for two Jedi to be hopping around on that surface over there. So if you're curious, there is our long promised Millennium Falcon, although hard to see that compared against either. Right, so that's kind of one way to look at it. There's another picture in that set here. Is this one from February 9th. This one is saying that for scale, the island stretches approximately 285 meters from end to end, 935 feet, end to end of the island. There, all the way to there. All right, so let's look at some of the cruise ships that come into Hilo here. Okay, so the largest ones that come into Hilo, these are the ones that were scheduled for last year, although many didn't actually come. It's kind of typical of COVID, but typical for Hilo from before COVID as well. You can kind of see here the longest one comes in at 294 meters, 965 feet, right? And you can kind of see the one that comes the most often, 280 meters. And so right in there, 280 to 294 is a couple right at 285 exactly. In fact, here that are these cruise ships coming into Hilo. So about the biggest cruise ship that comes into Hilo is the size of that island. And so if you've seen, we're not talking about these mega cruise ships, that we're talking about a regular Hawaii-sized cruise ship. And so for comparison, there you have it. There is what that cruise ship would look like next to that island. For comparison. So it's hard when looking at the island, it just looks like a little piece of land, but really that's a huge, huge thing. And kind of to really put it in perspective, I have to zoom out, and so I took here this image USGS has of the double rainbow, and I've really ruined it here. And across from double rainbow here, you can kind of see within the lava lake what it would look like to have a cruise ship in there, the size of the island, or airplane, an airport terminal down in there too. I probably can barely see it in here. I could probably zoom in somewhere so you guys can even get a better view, right? Like what our S1 camera looks like, something like that. And you kind of see all those big ripples in the lava surface, and they're all going around and flowing this way and that way. Those are massive, massive channels of lava. Even this big crescent that's left over here, this smaller closed-in part, is still a huge, huge area. Right, not as big as the whole when the whole pit was liquid, obviously. But it gives you some comparison here of the size of an airplane and a ship. So one more thing I can do here is, I actually went back here and took this image from February 26. It actually has the dimensions of the lava lake and the active surface and the island and the vent, all of that. And what I did then is I took this into Google Earth. So now we're in Google Earth. And I just overlaid this over here exactly on our planet here, right? So you can kind of see that's the size of it right there. So what I wanted to do is take this into Hilo. So over here in Hilo, you can't see it quite as well because I made it transparent, but I put the same size crater outline right here. You can see that whole down drop block. It's just about inside the break wall of Hilo Bay. And it's about the size of that thing right in there. And you can kind of see this pinkish zone. That's the size of that whole lava lake with a crust and all, right? That's about the size of the point here, right? Or Banyan Drive, all the hotels over here in Hilo. It's about the size of that. Some idea of the dimensions of this thing. I may not seem that big when you're driving around in your car, but it'd be different if you're walking back and forth along a golf course, and you can really can see the size of that thing. So there's enough space in there to have a whole, this entire golf course would fit in there, right in there. So, and for comparison, here's our port. Go ahead.
To be fair, that is a tiny golf course.
It is, yeah. I'm waiting for you to jump in there and tell us how many holes.
9 holes.
9-hole golf course, yeah.
I call it like 7 holes actual, but we'll call it 9.
Right. So yeah, half a golf course would fit in there, and there it is. That's just some idea for people who are from Hilo, more or less. And we'll go more than this. This is kind of just the first natural feature. But there's our harbor over here, right? That's where the cruise ship would pull up. You can kind of see it'd be about that size. That's about the size of this island right in here. So it's all matches up. We can scale all matches up and all of that as well. So I'm going to zoom out a little more. There's our airport over here, and here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this layer. I'm going to see if I can pick it up and move it around. So I'm going to take it up, I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to put it over top of our terminal. I'm going to zoom in. And see, maybe you can see here, this is the terminal and the airplane boarding gates there and there and there and there. Right, you can kind of see that's. I find my marker and put those gates over here in an active lava surface like I had it before with a plain image. So okay, there's our island right in here. These are terminal gates, little rampers, right? So you can kind of see the plane would be right in there, right? Size of that thing.
Of course, Google picks the one day there's no planes on the gate for you.
Yeah, I draw my own in there. Yeah. So there's
right.
That's what it would look like by the terminal. Of course, the runways are very big things, so that's not useful to compare against. But let's pull it over here to a different part of Hilo, and maybe zoom into right in here. And so here we have our box store area of Hilo. Right, so I believe that one is probably Walmart, and that one is probably Target. That one is Safeway, and this is the mall over here that has this kind of ninja star pattern, like that, right? So if you're wondering, compared to something like Walmart, let's put this island over Walmart. Walmart is half the size of the island. 2 Walmarts side by side would be the size of that island. And a parking lot is about the size of that whole lava lake. More or less, you can kind of see in here. I'll zoom in a little more, right? There's a Walmart. Not a super one, jumbo one, just your regular old, normal, standard Walmart. Here's this parking lot right in here, right? So you can kind of see in comparison, you'd need to have a lot more Walmart and you have to have a really big parking lot as well. But that's kind of dimensions right there to compare against in town. And I could put it over Target instead if we wanted to. Here.
Somebody's asking about Pu'o. Throwing it over that.
Over pool. Yeah, I can do
Yeah.
that. So let me zoom way out. Pull it way back. Take it to pool. Been close enough. Right, so maybe I'll play with the opacity. Right, there's pool. And there's the new Halema'uma'u complex. Can I see that the size of pool crater itself was about the size, a little bit bigger than that lake of water was in there. It was a little bit bigger than 2008 and 18 lava lake, but it's smaller than the maximum extent of this lava lake now, right? If we compare that just to red part, the red part, and maybe we'll cut off this North Bay and South Bays. Right? That's not that different in size from pool crater right in there, so that might be the dynamics level of stability of it there. So
We have a $10 super chat from Hawaiian Homestead on YouTube. Just says thank you. Appreciate it.
mahalo. And yeah, so that's our size. That's our size game here. We can take this and put it anywhere you want in the world at this point in time, and you know, I guess we could take some requests, but that's really what I have extra for you guys to show you guys a little bit more of the size of this thing compared to some features you might see in around your own town or the bay or everyone who comes here nowadays is coming by airplane or by ship, although not all that kind of ship, of course. To be fair, but there you have it. That's what it would look like.